हे ट्रान्सफॉर्मर वाइंडिंग कनेक्शनवर ठरत असतं. ट्रान्सफॉर्मरचे जे दोन प्रकार आहेत आपण बघितलेले, पॉवर ट्रान्सफॉर्मर आणि डिस्ट्रीब्युशन ट्रान्सफॉर्मर. तर नॉर्मली बरेचसे प्रोटेक्शन्स आपण पॉवर ट्रान्सफॉर्मर मध्ये वापरतो कम्पेअर टू डिस्ट्रीब्युशन ट्रान्सफॉर्मर. पॉवर ट्रान्सफॉर्मर मध्ये जर प्रायमरी कनेक्शन आणि सेकंडरी कनेक्शन म्हणजे स्टार डेल्टा, डेल्टा डेल्टा, डेल्टा स्टार, स्टार स्टार. ओके. जर समजा तुमचं पॉवर ट्रान्सफॉर्मर कनेक्शन स्टार डेल्टा असेल तर सिटी कनेक्शन प्रायमरी डेल्टा, सेकंडरी स्टार. म्हणजे जिथे जिथे तुमची जी वाइंडिंग तुमची स्टार असेल तिथे सिटी कनेक्शन डेल्टा, जी वाइंडिंग डेल्टा असेल तिथे सिटी कनेक्शन स्टार. डेल्टा डेल्टा, स्टार डेल्टा, डेल्टा स्टार, डेल्टा डेल्टा, नाही का. सॉरी, स्टार स्टार, डेल्टा डेल्टा, डेल्टा स्टार, स्टार डेल्टा. हा चार्ट व्यवस्थित समजला आहे का तुम्हाला? इट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर डिफरन्शियल प्रोटेक्शन. ट्रान्सफॉर्मर प्रायमरी वाइंडिंग स्टार डेल्टा, डेल्टा डेल्टा, स्टार स्टार, डेल्टा स्टार असे असू शकते. म्हणजे प्रायमरी स्टार, सेकंडरी डेल्टा, प्रायमरी डेल्टा, सेकंडरी डेल्टा, प्रायमरी स्टार, सेकंडरी स्टार, प्रायमरी डेल्टा, सेकंडरी स्टार. सिटी कनेक्शन कसे करायचे? जिथे डेल्टा, जी वाइंडिंग डेल्टा असेल तिथला सिटी स्टार, जिथली वाइंडिंग स्टार असेल तिथला त्या वाइंडिंगचा सिटी डेल्टा. म्हणून सिटी कनेक्शन डेल्टा स्टार, डेल्टा डेल्टा, स्टार डेल्टा, डेल्टा डेल्टा, स्टार स्टार, स्टार विथ स्टार स्टार, डेल्टा डेल्टा, डेल्टा स्टार, स्टार डेल्टा. ओके.
Yes, sir.
With this, this is a one primary protection provided. This is delta delta transformer. नाही का? हा डेल्टा आहे आणि हा सुद्धा डेल्टा कनेक्टेड आहे. ओके. तर डेल्टा कनेक्टेड असेल तर मग सिटी सेकंडरी काय? स्टार. सिटी सेकंडरी स्टार. प्रायमरी स्टार डेल्टा, सेकंडरी डेल्टा. प्रायमरी सिटी, सिटी 1, सिटी 2, सिटी 3 हे कनेक्शन स्टार मध्ये आहे. ओके. ही पण वाइंडिंग सेकंडरी डेल्टा आहे म्हणून याचे सुद्धा कनेक्शन स्टार मध्ये आहेत. सिटी सेकंडरी कनेक्टेड इन स्टार. हे दोन्ही स्टार कॉमन पॉइंट इथे जोडलेले आहे. आणि सिटी सेकंडरीचं जे दुसरं टर्मिनल आहे, सिटी 1 कनेक्टेड टू सिटी 1, सिटी 2 कनेक्टेड टू सिटी 2 डॅश, सिटी 3 connected to सिटी 3 dash. And in between you are having the relay coils R1, R2, R3. So this way the pilot wire circuit is connected. लक्षात आलं का? डिफरन्शियल प्रोटेक्शन म्हणजे काय? यू आर हॅव्हिंग द प्रायमरी, यू आर हॅव्हिंग द सेकंडरी. व्हेनेवर देयर इज अ fault or abnormal condition associated with the delta secondary, so what happens? The current associated with RYB never remains same. So in normal operating condition, whatever the current, it is fed to primary, and current secondary, it is same. So no current flows through the pilot wire or through pilot circuit through R1, R2 relay coils. Relay will remains inoperative. But whenever there is a fault either on primary or secondary, the current associated with RYB, primary or secondary, changes. लक्षात येते का तुमच्या? What I am saying?
Oh, sir.
So the current associated with primary is different than the current associated with secondary. So what? Definitely the change in current will flow through this relay coil. Change in current will flow through relay coil and relay will operate. So delta delta scheme for power transformer protection scheme is shown in this figure. City secondaries are connected in star. City secondaries are connected in star. Okay. So normal condition I have explained, equal current through primary, so no current flows through relay coil. When there is a fault either on primary or secondary side, line to ground, line to line, double line, triple line, simultaneous difference of current is produced, and this difference in current produced that flows through the pilot wires. Okay. and then flows through relay coil. So relay will operate. Okay, this is also called as merge price protection किंवा त्याला दुसरे नाव merge price protection असे म्हणतात, नाही का? So as I have already told you, when primary is delta, CT secondary star. When winding is star, CT secondary will be connected in delta. So another diagram you can see here. This is differential protection scheme for delta star transformer. So primary is star connected, primary is delta connected, secondary is star connected, neutral point earth. Now when this is connected in delta, CT secondaries are connected in star. Okay, CT secondaries are connected in star. लक्षात येत आहे का? हॅलो.
हो सर.
Now this in again same case, normal operating condition, whenever there is a no fault on either side, current flowing through primary as well as current flowing through secondary remains same. But when there is a problem or when there is a abnormal condition, either primary or secondary side, current flows through the secondary and through relay coil, relay will operate. Okay. Any doubt? Delta star connected transformer. So here you are having the primary of transformer is connected in delta, CT is connected in star, then secondary is connected in star, CTs are connected in delta. Delta म्हणजे काय? तर इथे लक्षात घ्या. This is a CT1 dash 1 2 terminals. Finishing is connected to CT2 dash first terminal. Finishing of CT2 dash second terminal connected to CT3 dash first terminal. Finishing of CT3 dash terminal is connected to starting of CT1 dash. Okay, this way delta, and then CT1 is connected to CT1 combo. CT2 is connected to this junction CT2 dash. CT3 connected to this junction CT3 dash. These are restraining coils to adjust the resistance of the pilot circuit. On either side, the impedance of circuit should match. On either side, the impedance of circuit should match. And हे match होण्यासाठी तुम्ही restraining coils इथे टाकलेले आहेत. Condition again same. Whenever there is no current flowing through relay coil, means it is a normal operating condition. But whenever there is a fault associated with primary or secondary, current will flow through operating coil, and when current flows through operating coil, relay will operate to close the trip circuit, and trip circuit will finally initiate circuit breaker operation. Circuit breaker will operate to open circuit. Okay, and CT secondary connections. Relaying coil 1, 2, 3. This is circuit breaker. This is circuit breaker operating circuit. This is trip circuit contact. मी जे नेहमी बोलतो की ट्रिप सर्किट गेट म्हणजे when there is a relay coil, whenever there is no current flowing through relay coil, this is NO. This is NO. But whenever there is a current flowing through relay coil, this relay will operate, means this relay will develop electromagnetic force to operate this mechanism to close the trip circuit contact. So battery supply will be given to the circuit breaker operating coil, and circuit breaker will operate to isolate the transformer. So normally overcurrent protection it is provided, especially for low voltage transformer 11 kV 22 kV transformer. Differential protection is having higher cost. It is called as merge price protection. So differential protection normally is not used for the distribution transformer. Differential protection scheme, it is used for large power transformer. But in case of small transformer, you may have this overcurrent protection provided with CTs. Any doubt regarding this? Visible to you earth fault relay? Diagram. It is quite similar to the alternator which we have already discussed. Earth fault. So this is transformer, either primary or secondary, star connected winding. Okay. Star connected neutral earth transformer winding. These are CT secondaries. Primary itself is phase RYB. Secondary CTs connections are like this. CT1, CT2, CT3 you are having. The CT secondaries are connected in star and across which earth fault relay is connected. Okay. Again, faulty and abnormal condition, IR, IY, IB. When normal condition is there, IR plus IY plus IB is equal to 0. But whenever there is abnormal condition, IR plus IY plus IB is not equal to 0. Means in normal condition there is no current flowing through earth fault relay. Relay will not operate to open the circuit breaker associated with transformer. But whenever there is a fault, IR plus IY plus IB vector sum, these all are vectors, not scalars, never remain same. So difference in current will flow through relay coil, and this relay is associated with earth fault. So whenever earth fault is there, current will flow through earth fault relay and transformer will operate to open the circuit breaker will operate to open the transformer for its protection. CBCT, current balance CT. Again here you are having, this is another, here we have connected CT secondary in star and across which earth fault relay is connected. In this scheme, this is a star connected neutral grounded. So in between neutral and ground you have फिगर दिसत नहीं है. ओके, 1 minute. दिसते का? Similar to alternator, alternator earth fault protection. This scheme we have already discussed. So CTs are connected. Either primary or secondary winding. Primary or secondary. This winding is star connected. So CT1, CT2, CT3 star connections, and across relay coil is connected. Okay. This is another scheme which we have already employed for the alternator. So star connected transformer winding, neutral point, earthing point. So in between you are having the earth fault relay connected. Okay, through CT. So whenever current earth leakage is there, current will flow from neutral to ground. जहाँ जो current है that will get detected by this CT. Current will flow through CT secondary. The relay will show sensitive. 30 to 100 milliampere, 100 milliampere, 30 milliampere setting is there. You can do. So relay will operate whenever there is a earth fault. Then you can use current balance CT. This CBCT concept also we have last time discussed. Core balance